Chet Bolton from Natchitoches, Louisiana. I've got a 2015 389 with 600 Cummins, 18 speed, 325 rears.
How long have you had this truck?
We purchased it in October of 19.
And you've worked it since then?
And it's a steady work truck. It's a 300-day-a-year work truck.
Oh my. Well, what inspired you to enter at Matt's this year?
Some friends.
Mm-hmm.
I have some friends that worked here with Matt's, and they taught me into it. So.
Is this your first time?
It is. It is the first time here, so. We are in first time combo and lights.
All right, so I have to come back when it's dark out and get more video.
Yep, we have JML custom lights throughout.
Any idea how many?
Oh, Lord. It's not a lot. They're just kind of strategically placed with the glass lens, so it makes it look like a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are they blue to match?
The blue underglow, so
Nice.
yeah, everything is high yellow glass lens with blue underglow. So.
And what is your number one favorite thing about your truck?
Oh, Lord, I don't really know.
You drive it 300 days a year?
Yeah, I drive it through.
It's like home, right?
It is home. I've been doing this 34 years, so it's fun now getting into the shows, but, you know, it's still work.
Do you get to enter many shows throughout the year?
No. Last year we went to Joplin, and that's the first ever show that we ever went to. So
now you got.
So it's always been work.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad that you get to enjoy yourself. It'd be easier to enjoy yourself if it was a little warmer, I'm sure. But
yeah, yesterday was brutal.
Yeah.
It was rough yesterday.
Well, this isn't great. At least the sun is shining though, so all good. Well, thank you very much.